Hi, welcome to It's My Twist by Sunila. Today I'm going to show you how to make methi matar malai, and I'm going to add one more additional ingredient, paneer. So let's see the ingredients. Here is chopped onion, cashews, ginger, garlic, tomato, some dry spices here, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, green chili, of course salt, paneer. This is cream. This cream, fresh cream, is from Nestle. In US it is very difficult to get very fresh cream, but you can make it at home, nothing like it. And oil. And this is one bunch of methi. And also there are peas. So what I have done is I have boiled some water and added this peas to it. I shut the gas off, did not boil it at all. Now I'm going to strain it and keep it aside. Now take a pan, add some oil, again about 2 to 3 teaspoons. Now I am adding onions, chopped ginger and garlic, and cashews. So these cashews and cream will give a very nice creamy taste to this methi matar malai. And of course, paneer is an added bonus. I love paneer, so I find all opportunities to add paneer to my food. Not that my husband and my daughters are fond of paneer, but I am, and why not? This tastes so good in this. So don't overcook this, just make sure that this is translucent, and that's it. And then now add tomato. If you don't want to add tomato, you can add yogurt later, but I like tomatoes, I like that color. Saute it for a couple of minutes. So this is almost 2 to 3 minutes now. I will shut the stove off, let it cool down, and then I'm going to blend it in a blender to a smooth paste. So now this is blended to a very fine paste. So I have put small pan. Add some oil, about 2 to 2.5 teaspoons, and then I'm going to saute methi or fenugreek leaves for a couple of minutes. Not more than 2 minutes. So it's almost 2 minutes. I'm sauteing it now. Keep it aside. So I'm using the same pan that I sauteed onions and cashews and tomato. I'm using the same pan. I'm adding about 5 teaspoons of oil. I'm going to add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, and jeera. Saute it. Before cumin seeds get very dark, add the blended masala, the onions and tomato and ginger and garlic, and saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. because we had already sauteed it before, so we don't have to saute it for too long. I will add the leftover masala. I've added some water. I don't want to go waste. Now I will add the peas which I had put in the hot water and strained it. I will add these peas. Mix it well. Now we can add turmeric powder, chili powder. Chili powder and green chili is up to as per your taste. If you want to add less, you can add less. If you want to add more, you can add more. Then this is coriander powder. And cover it and let it simmer on medium low for another 3 to 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, now we will add the sauteed fenugreek leaves or methi to this. Mix it. Also add salt. Mix it well. Some people don't like to add tomatoes, so they add yogurt at this point, but I prefer tomatoes. I'm going to add some water. Since we put peas in very hot water and also we sauteed fenugreek leaves earlier, this dish doesn't take long because it's almost 80-90% cooked. So at this point I'm going to add paneer. You can omit this completely. If you don't have paneer in the house, that's fine. If you have paneer, you can add it. I love it, so I add it. Mix it. Cover it and let it simmer for another 2 minutes. After 2-3 minutes of simmering, I am adding malai. This is from the Nestle company. In US we don't get, I have not seen Amul or any other brand, but if you get any brand is fine. Our homemade fresh cream is great. Just mix it well. And now add few green chilies and garam masala. So methi matar malai with paneer is ready. If you have coriander leaves, you can garnish it with coriander leaves. I don't have it in the house today, so that's fine. Thank you for watching, and please click on the title of the video for full and complete recipe. And I must want to tell you something. I forgot to add sugar. I added little bit of sugar because of fenugreek leaves. They are kind of sour. So I added little bit of sugar in the end. I totally forgot, but add some sugar towards the end. Thank you.